Surveys. How to do surveys good. How to do surveys wrong. In tests, they tend to give you surveys like this. How many hours of sleep do you get? 6 hours? Well, you can tick that. 7 hours? You can tick that. 8 hours? Well, what about if you've got 6.5 hours? Well, that doesn't work. 9 hours? What if you sleep 5 hours? Where's the tick box for that? What if you sleep 4 hours, 45 minutes? And what's this? What? Last night? Last week? All year I slept 6 hours. It's a bad survey question because, number one, I slept 9 hours last weekend, but only 6 hours last night. Should I tick 6 or 9 or 6? I slept 7.5 hours. Should I tick 7 or, 8? This is the reason why these surveys are no good. I can't remember exactly how many hours I got on the 22nd of June last year, so I can't work out my average sleep. No, people don't know their average sleep. The survey should use the symbols like more than, equal to, or less than. The survey question should be, how many hours of sleep did you get last night? Because people can remember that. Or they can work it out. When did I go to sleep? Less than 3 hours. Well, you could tick that one. 3 or more than 3 and less than 4 hours. Cool, so you could tick that if you did less than 3.5 hours. 3 hours, 45 minutes. More than 4 or more than 4 and less than 5 hours. What, 4.5 hours, you'd tick that one. More than 5 hours and sleep less than 6 hours. Now we're using the less than more than. Sleep more than equal to 6 hours. So you tick this if you do 6 hours, less than 7 hours. More than equal to 7 hours, less than 8 hours. Now go up steadily, 8 hours. More than or equal to 8 hours, less than 9 hours. That's where you do 8.5. So this is where you tick 9.5 hours. The more than and the more than and equal symbols are called inequality symbols. More than 9 hours is written, okay, so the alligator eats the bigger number. So there's the teeth on the alligator. See, that's the teeth. Alligator eats the bigger number. Equal to 9 hours, because alligators eat big things. They like lots of meat. They eat big things. Equal to 9 hours. Or more than 9 hours is written to, okay, more than 9 hours. So, more than 9 hours or equal to. Yeah, there we go. Go! My name's Good Luck Gary. I live in Hong Kong. If you want lessons and you live in Hong Kong, I can come to your home because I'm a home tutor. I work in the day at the international schools. I come to the homes in the evenings and at the weekends to teach all the sciences and maths and GCSEs and IBs and HSCs. If your mum wants me to come and help you, tell her to contact me at goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. Otherwise, I can do Skype lessons. Bye! Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.